Hello Stormwater designers, welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. In this video we're going to cover some of our other software packages that we offer. We understand there's a lot of users of the San Diego hydrology model, the 3.1 version. So we're going to do some instructional videos regarding that software. So first thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to model a biofiltration facility, one of the most useful facilities when it comes to hydromod and designing for water quality in the San Diego region. So we're going to go over that step by step in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is select our gauge setup here. I'm just going to stick with Bonita. Select the location on the map. It doesn't really matter for this scenario. We're not trying to do a specific modeling situation here. If you want to learn more background on the biofiltration element, you can always look it up in the California Stormwater Manual, or what's really good is the San Diego Hydrology Model 3.0 user manual updated to 3.1. This is going to be really useful and describe exactly what the biofiltration element does. There's even some examples in there, but I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it in this video. So if we go here, we have selected our gauge. We're going to set up our pre-developed condition. Let's drop our basin into the project. I'm going to give it 4 acres of C natural vegetation flat. So 4 acres of that. Let's connect it to the point of compliance, and of course run the scenario. So now we've got our pre-developed basin set up. We're now going to go to the mitigated scenario here, drop in our basin. So now we had the pre-developed, it was just some natural vegetation. Let's say we added some impervious area, maybe it's houses, maybe it's streets, doesn't exactly matter. 3 acres of impervious flat, and then we're going to change this to C, but I'm going to make it urban non-irrigated flat. Okay, so that is our mitigated basin. Now we're going to drop in this biofiltration element right here. And we're going to want to connect the elements together. So now those are connected. So all the runoff will be going to this biofiltration element. The first thing we're going to want to do, we're actually going to need to do a few things here. We're going to size this facility for water quality. Now you can size the facility for hydromod or for meeting the flow duration standard. But your biofiltration facility is only going to be able to account for so much water. We have about 4 acres of runoff here. It's going to be a little too much for that. In smaller situations, you might be able to do that, or then go to another mitigation facility. But we want to size it for water quality, and according to the manual, we want 92% of that flow filtered, or 92% of the flow diverted, and then completely filtered. So we're going to change facility type to biofiltration right here. And then we're going to select under drain used, because where else is the water going to go unless we're going to infiltrate it? We're not going to infiltrate it in this case, so we're going to need an under drain, and then we're going to use simple bioretention. All this does is significantly improve and make the sizing for water quality feature much faster than if you don't have the use simple biofiltration checked. With the use simple biofiltration unchecked, all it's doing is the model now has to make an additional check to make sure that the soil is not completely saturated, and it's not making that check every time series, and it slows down the modeling process quite a bit. However, if you check use simple biofiltration, you're going to get the same result 95 to 99% of the time, and only in some rare cases will it not be able to work. So we're going to check the use simple biofiltration to speed our process up. Now we're going to go to quick biofiltration here and size for water quality. So we're going to size this facility for water quality. First of all, however, we do need to connect it to the point of compliance. Now we can size it for water quality. You're going to want to check user-defined soils here, because I'm going to add a third layer of gravel to this setup here. So check user-defined soil layers, and now we're going to size for water quality, and now the model is going to size this biofiltration facility, its dimensions, the orifice structure, to make sure it meets that 92% filtered here. And so you can see it going through the iterations quite quickly here. Also, it helps that we did check that use simple biofiltration. As I said, you can learn more about the biofiltration element in the 3.1 manual. Also, if you want to get the San Diego hydrology model, you want to go to clearcreeksolutions.info, go to the downloads tab. Now if we scroll down the downloads tab, you can find the San Diego hydrology model 3.1 right here. You can download the current version. You can also get the user's manual in PDF or Word format, as well as the map file. So you want to go right there to download the model. And then right now the sizing is completed. We got 92.34% of the water quality percent filtered for this biofiltration facility. Now, if we wanted to meet the flow duration standard, we could actually run the scenario, see where this stands, and then I would go to the analysis tab here, select point of compliance 1 to see if it meets the flow duration standard, and it'll most likely not. It completely failed for all the flows. So we have a couple options. You can instead size this for the facility for hydromod, or you could insert another mitigation facility such as a storage vault or tank after the biofiltration facility to be able to meet that standard. But I'm showing you the situation for sizing for water quality. So we hope that helps. We hope that helps you understand that a little more in the San Diego hydrology model. We have a free guide for you. It's called the California Hydromod Guide. It gives you a guide of all the different requirements for some of the different jurisdictions. For all the ones Clear Creek Solutions provides software for, it's a 100% free guide. It's a really good quick reference for if you're doing stormwater or hydrology modeling in California. Just click the description down below, click that link, and you can get that guide 100% free, and it should be able to help you out quite a bit. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time.